Contains 1 12-ounce bag of NUTRO Natural Choice Adult Dry Dog Food, beef and brown rice recipe for dogs 1 year and older. Real beef is the #1 ingredient. Made with non-GMO ingredients, no chicken byproduct meal, corn, wheat, or soy. High-quality protein source is the #1 ingredient in the delicious dry kibble. Formulated to support healthy immunity with essential antioxidants and healthy digestion with natural fiber. Helps promote healthy skin and a soft, shiny coat with omega-3 and -6 fatty acids. Cooked in our USA facilities with the finest ingredients from around the world. Give your pet the wholesome ingredients they love with NUTRO Natural Choice Dry Dog Food recipes. Made for dogs ages 1 year and older, this dry food provides essential antioxidants for healthy immunity and natural fiber for healthy digestion. It's formulated with omega-3 and -6 fatty acids to help give your dog healthy skin and a soft, beautifully shiny coat. As part of the NUTRO FEED CLEAN philosophy, this delicious beef and brown rice recipe starts with a high-quality protein source as the first ingredient and is made with real, recognizable ingredients sourced from trusted farmers and suppliers. Plus, it's made with non-GMO ingredients and has no chicken byproduct meal, corn, wheat, or soy. So you can feel good feeding your dog recipes that are rich in nutrients and full of flavor. Trace amounts may be present due to potential cross-contact during manufacturing. Top reviews from the United States. Love. My 2 very picky chihuahuas devour this food. I've mixed it with other NUTRO flavors and sizes, even with the tiny kibble that's easier for them to eat, but they dig this out every time. The 2 dogs struggle with the size but gamely keeps on until it is manageable size. That being said, kibble size isn't terribly large, maybe size of a dime? I love food quality and I know it's good because of other ends results.